Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to hide rows in Smartsheet. Even though there isn't a straightforward hide row button, I'll show you a simple method using filters that gets the job done quickly and cleanly. By the end of this video, you'll be able to keep your sheet focused and clutter-free, hiding any rows you don't need to see right now without deleting any important data. Let's jump right in. The secret to hiding rows in Smartsheet actually lies in its powerful filtering feature. So to start, head over to your Smartsheet where you want to hide some rows. At the top toolbar, look for the word Filter and click it. You'll see an option to create new filter. Click that and take a moment to give your filter a name. It's tempting to leave it as Filter 1, but trust me, naming your filter something descriptive like Hide Completed Tasks or Filter Out Old Dates will save you a headache later if you end up using a lot of filters. Now you'll see two drop-down menus in the filter setup. The first one is asking you which column you want to focus your filter on. So if, say, you want to hide all rows containing the word Done in the Status column, you'd select the Status column from this first dropdown. If your sheet has a lot of columns, don't rush, scroll if you need to, and make sure you're picking the one where the data you want to hide actually lives. Selecting the right column is key because the filter only looks at the column you choose. Next, the second dropdown is all about the type of filter you want to apply. For hiding rows, you'll want to choose Does Not Contain. What this does is tell Smartsheet to only show rows where the specified text is present. So in our example, after selecting Does Not Contain, type the word or text of the thing you want to hide, for instance, Done. This step is important. Spelling matters here and filters are case sensitive. If you're not sure about spaces or capitalization, it's worth double-checking your sheet first so your filter hides exactly what you intend. Once you've put in your column, your filter rule, and the text, take a breath and click Apply. Smartsheet will instantly hide all the rows matching your criteria. Don't worry, none of your information is lost. It's just tucked away out of sight so you can focus on what matters most. If you're working on a large team or tracking dozens of tasks, this can instantly make your sheet more manageable and easier to read. The best part is that you can repeat this process for any column. Maybe next time you want to hide rows with a certain client name or with old dates. Just create a new filter, give it a clear name, pick the right column, set your rule, enter your text, and hit Apply. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to customize your Smartsheet views in seconds. Remember, this is a totally non-destructive way to tidy up your sheet. Everything's still there, just hidden from view for the moment. So that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can hide any rows you don't want cluttering up your Smartsheet workspace, keeping your projects organized and your focus sharp. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for other tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.